Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so let's make some pineapple stir-fried chicken. How about that, huh? Pineapple stir-fried chicken. And we're going to use that pineapple juice to make it pop. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below, and let's do it. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to be doing it right on the stove. Okay, let's put just a little oil in there so we can saute the peppers and onions first. Putting this is one large onion, one green pepper cut up to this size. We're going to let that cook down, and then we're going to add our, this is one chicken breast cut up, deboned chicken breast with the skin off. And I have a half of a large tomato. Okay, so let's get this started first, and then we're going to move forward. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the onions have been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes. Let me show you that. I'm going to take them out. Alright, now I'm going to put the chicken in. And put a little oil on it. You see that's just a couple of drops, right? There's still some oil already left in here. Alright, let's add some seasoning. I'm going to add some black pepper. I want to add some lemon pepper. Because we're going to be working with pineapples, right? Adobo. And a little garlic. Okay, let's stir that up. Okay, now I'm going to add, I have 1 can of chunked pineapple. 1 can. This is the juice that I drained out the can. I'm going to pour it right over the chicken. So that that flavor can get all in the chicken as it's cooking. Okay, and I'm going to also add the tomatoes. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to add the chunks of pineapples. So you see how the tomatoes gave it some color, and it's going to give it some flavor too. Now we're going to put back in the peppers and onions. So you got the yellow color, the red color, the green color, the white color. Oh wow. Definitely a punch of color. Okay, we're going to let that come back up to temp. Then I'll taste it, okay? Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is, a good mate is hard to find. A good mate is hard to find. A good mate is someone who really carry their weight. They really show love to you. They really look out for you. They really pull with you 100%. The problem is, when you're trying to find the good mate, they're hard to find. Sometimes they're right in front of your face. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes you think they are, and then sometimes they're not. Sometimes you dream of having a good mate, but sometimes it never happens. A good mate is hard to find. So when you're on your search, remember, they're hard to find, so you look extra hard. The word of the day, a good mate. That's the word of the day. Okay, we're going to wait on our stir-fry pineapple chicken to get done. Thank you. Okay, so let me taste it. Well, tastes good. Tastes a little sweet like pineapple, which you would expect. I think I would like to add a little pepper. And I think that's all I'm missing. Other than I'm going to thicken it up just a little with some cornstarch. So I have a teaspoon here. Oh, just spilt my water. That's wonderful, Rachel. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of water. Oh, sorry, cornstarch. Cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to add the cornstarch. I only want it thick just a little. Okay, as soon as you see it's getting thick, you want to stop because you just don't want it running off the spoon. But you do want a little thickness. Yeah, I I think I'm good. I don't even need that. So I put about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons full of cornstarch and water in there. Now I have just water. I'm adding a drop. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of water. Because you know it's hot, so it'll keep thickening up. So I had to add the water to make sure that it's not too thick. I'll show you. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, it looks so good. It looks shiny. Oh, it looks delicious. Okay, I'm gonna get some, I'm gonna plate this up for you. 1 second. Okay, so I have some rice here. That's what we're looking like. Putting the pineapple stir-fried chicken right over the rice with some of this sauce. Oh, look at the sauce. Okay, guys, I said I was going to show you the sauce. Look. See, it's not too thick, but it's not runny. You see? Okay, that's what we're looking like. All right. I want a tomato right in the middle. There we go. Presentation, of course. Okay. So let me show you. Let me eat that in front of you. 1 second. If I didn't give you the word of the day, just do the right thing. Always do the right thing and you will feel better. You're going to sleep a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to taste now. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? Oh, I can't wait to taste it. And the bowl is very hot. So I want to get a little everything if I can. Okay. Immediately, the juice of the pineapple hit you. And then you bite down into that tomato. Oh my goodness. And the softness from the chicken. You know, the pineapple juice helped tenderize the chicken breast. You are going to love this one. All for Thanksgiving. All for Thanksgiving. You know, you can't cook the same thing all the time. Cook that, but have some different dish so that they can go home talking about you and what you cook for days. Okay, love you. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. Subscribe, thumbs up, share the videos. This is our Thanksgiving season and we're sharing. Share the videos. Okay, bye-bye.